Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the Nasdaq Scalping Bot channel. The Nasdaq Scalping Bot is a Python program. It's my first Python program, and it's meant to be to get some passive income with the help of the Nasdaq, of course. And in this channel, I show you guys how I do this and what progress I make with the programming, with the bot, and with the market. So if you want to see how I did today, just stick around. At the start, right away, with a problem I have, and that is the length of the video. Because it's a short one. Again, there's not much to talk about because there is no changing in the programming. Let's look at the programming. And if I look at the code, we see this code is the same. I did not change anything in the code. If you look down here, you'll see there's still a lot of extra information put out to me to check if the bot does its work as it should be. And in the weekend, I will delete all of this, and then not this, but delete the printouts in the code. And that's the only change I'm going to make in the weekend, because I don't need this information anymore. That's at forehand what I gonna change, but actually it's not gonna change anything in the code. I don't change the strategy, or I don't change anything else in the functions or in the conditions for the functions. So that's it. More is not to tell about. Then let's go to the bot. And if I look at the bot, it works good. It has its ups and downs, of course, but there are no errors in the bot. Everything works. And if you look at the date and time that we started, you see that we started yesterday morning at 11 o'clock. And this means that we are past, and it's almost 11, so I could say we are at almost 36 hours non-stop that the bot works. So that's perfectly, because it has to get a 24/7, 7 days a week, not 7 days, 5 days a week bot. So it has to work all day, every work day, and for now it has done its job as it should be. And yesterday, I had to restart the bot because there was an error at the API, but was not an error in the bot. So, all there, everything okay. So all that's left now is looking at the market and how we did today. And if we look at the market, we see the market was up and down, and we have a new all-time high, again, the third time, but I got to change this one up there. But we are also going down. And if I go to a smaller view, then we see we are at same point as yesterday. Am I correct? 5, 4. Yeah, same point as yesterday, around 7. So we had an up and now a down, but the market is strong, and I see a lot of ups and downs. So I don't know what's going on there, but the bulls and the bears are really fighting each other. And what can we do? Can we sell or are we going to buy? Because there is a lot of going on, and slowly we're going down, but that's all that's set because there are a lot of buys in between. So it's not clear what we want. If you look at the MACD, you also see a small MACD with red and green, but a lot of white, green, and light red. So there is not much going on the market. How did the bot do? Did we make profit today? Well, if I look at the bot, it tells me we are at €7.84, but that was included yesterday. So I don't think we did a lot today. Well, let's take a look at the reports. And at the reports, we see a lot of blue. That's nice. During the day, I see a couple of reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Red. 7, 8, 9 times a red. And the rest is all blue. That's nice. It's good. We made more positive than negative. But I don't think that it will compensate for each other. So I think we are at the same. We ended yesterday at 403.09 cents, and today we're ending at exactly the same. 403.09 cents, because of €1.19 the loss of at 10:30. We are exactly the same. No profit and no loss today. Oh, wow. Okay. We take it. Let's see how it's going to be tomorrow. Okay. I guess that was it. So feel free to leave a comment. I like to know how you guys think about this project and the bot, and if you think it's profitable, and if you think it's worth my time investing on, or do you think it's nothing at all, or do you think, wow, this looks nice, maybe I could join in later on? And I don't know, give me some feedback. Let me know how you think about the program and how you think about this project. And if you like the video, also this is a short one, then press like. And if you want to see something else in the video, like can you tell us something about the strategy, or can you tell us something about, I don't know, give me some feedback and I will implement it in the video, because the video is getting short right now. So let me know what you think. If you want to see more of these videos, short or not, then press subscribe. We could use the subscriptions. And if you can talk to me, with me in Twitch, there I do a regular live update about the bot and how it's going. And you can also reach me on Discord. I'll leave for both of them a link in the description, so you could talk to me in Discord too and ask me about what is going on with the bot. If you want to tell me something about the code, do you have questions about the market, questions about the bot, I don't know. Feel free to join me on the Discord channel, in the Discord channel community. If you want to support me, you can do that by Patreon. It's no way obligated to feel free if you want to. I don't expect anyone to use the Patreon, but it's there. If you want to use Patreon and support me, it's all fine. I will be grateful for doing this, but there's no obligation to do that. So, all I've said, what I have to say. Yes, then the only thing I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you tomorrow.